Dear students, in this video lecture, I want to discuss about simple for loop in Python. Pray to start Python in Jupyter. I'll just give an image. Okay, I have a bucket. Let me call as a list. Okay, the list I have placed different colored balls. Now I want to instruct a machine through the Python code to pick a ball one by one. Now I'll be calling this bucket as iteratable since I'm picking one by one, and these individual balls loop variable. For example, while I'm going to pick a red color ball, I'm going to give my loop variable as a 0. Since we know that in the Python indexing start from 0. Okay, so this will be indexed as 0. This green color will be indexed as a 1. This yellow color will be indexed as 2, and this will be indexed as a 3. Now I want to pick one by one from the list by calling indexing. Okay, now let me write a simple Python code for it. Okay, here let me create a list. Okay, in the list let me give numbers, easy to type, 1, 2, or let me give the names red, comma, blue, comma, green, comma, yellow. Now I have stored a value in a list. Okay, now let me store them in the variable called name or balls equal to. Now I want to pick a ball one by one. In the Python, generally to print a variable or a integer or float, whatever thing, I can type print. We know that indexing, in the last lecture I discussed about indexing. Balls, red ball is indexed 0. Okay, now I'm going to shift enter. It throws the red indexed 0. Now I need to repeat one by one to pick one by one from the bucket of list. Now it is a 1, so it throws the blue color. Next I want to throw the green color, 2. Now I want to throw third one, that is a green, the final one. So we know that indexing calling last one by -1. So it picked yellow. Now I want to automate the system. I don't want to type it again and again the print. I want to automate the system. For that I'm going to talk about for loop. The for is the keyword. You have to start with for, then you have to start with call loop variable. Then we give ball. Okay, ball in balls. Okay, colon print ball. Shift enter. No, yeah, here I have to define capital B. Now shift enter. So now I no need to type it again and again by calling one by one through the for loop. Okay. Similarly, let me store a name A. In that let me store a string or character, Dr. A.Gnanaprakasam. So whenever we want to store a character or string, we have to store within the string. Now the name Dr. A.Gnanaprakasam, stored in A. Shift enter. Now let me write a for loop again for I. So the loopable variable can be whatever thing you want. I in A colon print I. Shift enter. It given one by one. Started with D and ended with M. That is the purpose of for loop. It is simplest for loop I created. Suppose now I want to enter the number. Suppose I want to enter number from 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to automate the system. Okay. For that, let me create a code. For I. It is a iteratable. It is a loop variable I. Okay. In. It is also in also keyword. Don't forget that. Range. Okay. Range 4. 4 means here whenever I am giving range, range means you start from 0 to 3. Okay, that is the meaning of range. Now let me give print I. Now what is expected is, we know that in the Python indexing start from 0. So let me type, yeah, we have to n. I am instructing Python that my for is ending. Now I need to start the body. Okay, now backspace, enter again. Yeah, now shift enter. It started from 0 to 3. Suppose if you want to increase the number 10, we'll type from 0 to 9. Suppose you don't want to start from 0, you want to start from 1. Let me give 1, comma 10. It means I have to start from 1 and end with 9. So last value minus 1. Let me type, shift enter. We started from 1 to 9. Suppose now I want to jump from 1 to 3. Okay, for that I can give the step, comma 2. Shift enter, and you can observe here, started with 1, then 2 is skipped, then I went to the 3, then went to the 5, went to the 7, and went to till 9. Okay, and now I want to start from 0 again. 0, shift enter, and you can observe it started from 0, 1 is skipped now, 2, 4, 6, 8. Suppose I want to skip by 3. Type 3 here, shift enter, I can check 0, 1, 2 are skipped here, 3, then 4, 5 skipped here, then 6, then 7, 8 skipped, then 9. Okay, so first one is starting point, end point, and it is the steps. Okay, always n in the Python is considered as a -1. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.